What does your product do? Phala World is a gamification extension to bring blockchain and dApp into the metaverse, which was incubated by Phala Network. By creating a soulbound NFT system, Phala World mapped on-chain and off-chain activities into the metaverse games. Phala World divides the characters in the game into 4 species and 5 careers according to the character's contribution to Phala community, and combines the soulbound modes to split the tradable shell NFT and spirit NFT through the introduction of the game modes such as strategy and RPG, enriches the participation mode and entertainment of the community. At the same time, Phala World is also the best test field for Phala's decentralized cloud infrastructure and fat contract. So it is one of the ecological projects that the team strongly promotes. What unique value does your product features bring in? The combination of the 2 NFTs constitutes a complete Phala World NFT, which truly realized the soulbound concept. Spirit NFT. Spirit NFT is soulbound NFT, which can be seen as the incarnation of the soul of players in real life. This is one of the key props in PW. Spirit NFTs are based on a specific on-chain and off-chain behavioral data in the crypto world. In the article Soulbound published by Vitalik Buterin, the concept of proof of attendance originated from World of Warcraft is emphasized. Players need to obtain the strongest soulbound items through certain behaviors instead of spending money to buy them. In Phala World, we agree with the concept of soul binding and believe that user behavior is a very valuable asset that can even represent users in the virtual world. Therefore, in Phala World, the design of Spirit NFT is more to represent the player's identity rather than just the user's ability to pay. Spirit NFTs can be acquired for free, but the level depends on the player's actions, and players can level up through continuous contributions. Shell NFT is the user's NFT appearance, including species and careers, which can be sold and transferred, limited to 8,888 pieces, divided into Legendary, Magic, and Prime Edition levels. Players who want to become PW need to get both Shell and Spirit NFT. Create play-to-build mode, build a stronger and tighter community. Using MCP's user identity system to correlate players' on-chain and off-chain behavioral data, such as Twitter activity in PW, Phala or Phala network contribution, etc. The user's contribution to the Phala network is positively related to the spirit value. That is, the continuous upward demand for the NFT attributes can enhance the interaction of the Phala community, consolidate the community culture, and enhance cohesion. NFT appearance and properties are based on a class pattern. Different from other NFT blind boxes, the NFT species and careers of Phala World are independently selected by users. But the final form of the corresponding NFT, such as pattern, color, and other appearance and performance attributes, and incubation time, depends on the user's interaction of the initial NFT frequency. Phala World has a complete sci-fi story background and culture. According to the contributor role of the Phala network, Phala World's NFT are divided into different species and careers. Therefore, Phala World also combines gameplay such as RPG and strategy games. The community can participate in story setting and content writing to narrate for Phala World. And at the same time, the team will also integrate excellent ideas from the community into the PW world and play to build together. Expandable Metaverse gameplay. As a gamification extension project of the Metaverse, Phala World itself is not limited by the functions and gameplay of the chain project itself. Different from traditional or other game projects, the project itself can be defined as a mini-game, which is portable and is not limited to the space of the Metaverse. At the same time, it has the ability to introduce blockchain and dApp into the Metaverse and expand the gameplay boundaries of Metaverse projects. Exquisite NFT appearance. Phala World's NFT has ultra-high precision and the ability to directly transform to 3D. What problem does your product or fix? solve the problem that most of the current metaverse projects lack interaction between on-chain and off-chain behaviors and value the community contribution. Build a complete story background and narrative logic for metaverse and blockchain projects. Enhance the Web3 community culture and construction, and increase interaction. The economic model of solving the underlying projects is obscure and difficult to understand. Through gamification, the community can better understood and the model can be copied. One of the best application cases of that contract, which can expand the cooperation of other similar projects. Scalable blockchain and metaverse gameplay as an extension can be implanted into other metaverse projects or introduce dApp into the metaverse. How does your product set aside from your competition? Not a metaverse PFP project or a GameFi project. We are a newly created gameplay, providing users with narrative and interactions. Implements the soulbound mode. Create a play-to-build mode that allows users to participate in the realization of P2E and participate in network construction. As a gamification extension project mode, it can be ported to any blockchain project in need. What's your growth path in the short, mid, and long term? Current progress. Phala World uses MCP to create Phala World's exclusive Web3 identity for survivors in the community, and increased behavioral contribution can improve an individual's level in the game. It is currently in final testing. At the same time, Phala World is cooperating with other projects to carry out various whitelist activities. It is expected that a new website will be launched before the end of April to open NFT mint. We welcome all survivors to come and experience Phala World. Master Satoshi is waiting for you. Stay tuned.